Welcome to my channel. Yes, I am going to tell you a story from the collection of Indian origin story, Bikram and Vetal. The title which I have taken today is The Marsan and His Three Sons. So, let me begin it. Long time ago, the Vetal started to tell, in a village of India lived a Marsan with his three sons. The Marsan was very sick and he was in verge of death. So one day he called his three sons to him and he divided his property. He gave the house they lived to the eldest son, and all his money, whatever he had earned, to his second son, and the field to the third son, youngest one. So the eldest son was very happy. He told his brothers to go out from his house after the death of his father, and the second son, he had enough money, so he went to buy a house and he lived in that house. The third son, he had no house, no money, so he started to work hard on the field and started to grow different varieties of crops. Slowly his fields grew and it was all green, turned into golden color, his paddy, and he started to sell them and he became very rich in the long run. So Betal now started to ask the king Vikramaditya that whom did the Marsan love best. Then King Vikramaditya thought for a moment and said, "Yes, I am sure the Marsan loved his youngest son the most because he gave him the land to grow crops, and the youngest son, who was a hardworking person, he grew crops and he became rich. But the other sons, they enjoyed their life and they were very poor in the later part of the life. So the people who work hard, they only are rich in the long run because hard work has no competition. Hard work is the ultimate result of fortune. Hard work gives us fortune, wealth, prosperity. So hard work is to be accepted by the youths of a country. Hearing the reply of King Vikramaditya, Betal was very happy. He flew to the tree and rested there, and King Vikramaditya started to walk back to his palace. Did you like the story? Yes, I am very much thankful for you have shared your time with me and listened to my story. And if you have liked it, it is my pleasure. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next story, next fun time. Take care.